On August 15, 1977, an astronomer made a strange discovery that could change everything we know about extraterrestrial life. On August 15, 1977, an astronomer at Ohio State University detected a mysterious radio signal emitted by a possible alien civilization, known as the WOW signal. The WOW signal was picked up on August 15, 1977, by astronomer Jerry Ehman, working at Ohio State University. Lasting about 72 seconds, this intriguing radio signal was received from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. This detection led to intense debate and speculation in the scientific community, raising the exciting possibility that it was the first detection of extraterrestrial life in human history. Astronomers attempted to trace sun-like stars near the supposed source of the signal, further fueling speculation about its possible extraterrestrial origins. Despite decades of intense investigation and technological advances, the exact origin of the WOW signal remains one of astronomy's greatest unsolved mysteries. The scientific community continues to puzzle over the possible nature and origin of this radio signal picked up in 1977. Even with attempts to track and identify sun-like stars in the region from which the signal was received, answers remain elusive. Various theories have emerged over the years, some suggesting natural explanations, while others entertain the exciting possibility of genuine extraterrestrial contact. The unknown surrounding the WOW signal remains a fascinating reminder of the vastness of the universe and the unknown that awaits us in the cosmos. The Drake equation, proposed by Frank Drake in 1961, is a formula used to estimate the number of intelligent civilizations in the Milky Way with which we could potentially communicate. While the equation is not an accurate prediction, it serves as a guide for exploring the possibility of other life forms in our galaxy. Considering factors such as the rate of star formation, the probability of planets that can support life, and the chance of those planets developing intelligent life capable of contacting us, the Drake equation provides a fascinating framework for pondering the vastness of the cosmos and the possible civilizations that may be out there, waiting. The Fermi paradox, proposed by physicist Enrico Fermi, raises intriguing questions about the apparent contradiction between the high probability of the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations and the lack of observable evidence of such civilizations. In a vast universe filled with billions of stars and potentially habitable planets, one would expect to find traces or communications from such civilizations. Yet, to date, we have been unable to detect any clear signs of extraterrestrial life. This apparent discrepancy begs the question, where are all the intelligent civilizations? Various theories have been proposed to explain the Fermi paradox, ranging from inevitable catastrophes that annihilate civilizations before they become detectable to darker hypotheses about predatory civilizations that eliminate any competitors in their path. The enigma of the Fermi paradox continues to challenge our conceptions of humanity's place in the cosmos and spurs us to explore further into the mysteries of the universe. The dark forest hypothesis is based on the premise that all advanced civilizations in the universe choose to remain completely silent, hiding their presence and advanced technology. This choice is motivated by mutual fear and the need to survive in the face of the unknown. In a cosmos full of uncertainty and potential threats, intelligent civilizations prefer to hide themselves to avoid attracting the attention of potential interstellar predators. In this dark scenario, the prevailing strategy is isolation and absolute secrecy, with each civilization afraid to reveal its position and technology lest it become the target of a potential threat. The central idea of the dark forest hypothesis sheds light on the deep fears that may exist at cosmic levels, where survival prevails over curiosity and the desire for exploration. Thus, the galaxy becomes a vast dark ocean where every flickering light prefers to remain hidden in the darkness, avoiding attracting the attention of the unknown. The dark forest hypothesis sheds light on the grim prospect that all advanced civilizations in the universe choose to remain in absolute secrecy, hiding every trace of their existence to avoid attracting potential intergalactic threats. In this dystopian scenario, Each intelligent civilization retreats into self-imposed isolation, abandoning the idea of interstellar communication and interaction. The constant fear of becoming the target of a predatory or aggressive civilization is the main driver behind this radical choice. Thus, the galaxy is transformed into an immense, silent void, where fear and caution dictate the actions of alien societies, leading them to remain in obscurity and anonymity to ensure their own survival in this unforgiving and uncertain cosmos. In a vast universe full of limited resources, competition for these resources may lead extraterrestrial civilizations to act in a predatory manner to ensure their own survival. The Black Forest hypothesis suggests that, faced with the shortage of essential raw materials and energy, certain advanced civilizations may adopt an aggressive and expansionist stance, exploring and colonizing other star systems to secure their supplies. This competitive behavior is based on the belief that continued growth and preservation of resources are crucial to the survival of the civilization, leading them to justify extreme measures, such as annihilating other life forms or competing civilizations. In this bleak scenario, the universe becomes a stage for interstellar conflicts where each species fights for the right to exist and dominate, creating a scenario of mutual and unknown fear in the cosmos. The possibility of the existence of predatory civilizations in the universe casts a shadow over our ambitions to explore the cosmos. Faced with the prospect of hostile encounters and competition for scarce resources on a cosmic scale, our search for extraterrestrial life and space exploration takes on a new context. Apocalyptic theories suggest that advanced civilizations may adopt aggressive strategies to ensure their survival, leading to potentially dangerous scenarios of intergalactic confrontation. This grim reality forces us to reconsider our approach to space exploration, raising ethical and safety concerns about the potential threats we may encounter out there. Uncertainty about the true nature of the universe and the intentions of alien civilizations highlights the need for caution and preparedness as we move into the cosmic unknown. Given the alarming possibility of predatory and aggressive civilizations in the universe, the strategy of accepting cosmic silence as a precaution emerges as a vital necessity for the survival of humanity and any other civilization potentially vulnerable to such threats. The Dark Forest hypothesis sheds light on the disturbing idea that, in a vast cosmos full of unfathomable mysteries, isolation and absolute secrecy may be the only viable forms of protection against potential interstellar predators. By adopting a defensive and reclusive posture, advanced civilizations protect themselves from any unknown threats that may arise from the cosmic unknown. This strategic approach reflects the essence of the survival instinct in an intergalactic context, where uncertainty and lack of knowledge about the true intentions of other alien species can make prudence an indispensable virtue to ensure the continued existence of civilizations in the vast and unpredictable universe. The Dark Forest hypothesis leads us to reflect on the possible ramifications of this dark theory. Imagine a universe where each advanced civilization, aware of its vulnerability to the unknown, chooses to hide in complete silence to avoid detection by potential intergalactic threats. In this scenario of isolation and absolute secrecy, the stars shine alone, each sheltering alien societies in its own protective enclosure. The galaxy transforms into a vast dark ocean, where fear and mistrust guide interactions between distant worlds. The search for extraterrestrial life faces an insurmountable enigma: how to find beings that have learned to fear each other's presence. Cosmic solitude echoes among the silent stars, revealing a universe full of closely guarded secrets. Could the Dark Forest be a wise precaution, or a self-imposed prison for civilizations destined never to meet? The stars whisper stories of worlds hidden behind the curtain of darkness, waiting for someone brave enough to break through the veil of fear and discover what truly lies in the unfathomable depths of the cosmos. What do you think of this intriguing hypothesis? Comment below, and let's discuss it together. Thanks for following. See you in the next video.